Hey everybody, Jeremy here with another Facebook ads funnel teardown. Just want to quick run through this ad I saw in my feed today. It's for a site called Wordtune. So or an app called Wordtune. Let's take a quick look at, this ad here. So, express yourself perfectly in writing, right off the bat, tells me what the benefit's going to be. Add more detail, nuance, and depth. Make your sentences clear and concise. Adjust the tone and formality of your text. Install Wordtune now. It's free. Okay, I like that. It tells me exactly what the benefit's going to be. It tells me how specifically it's going to give me that benefit. It tells me that it's free and has a clear call to action. I love that. And it looks like it's actually a screenshot of the app itself, right? Which is interesting. I also like that a lot, right? And it's showing it in action. So it's sort of kind of giving me the exact kind of information that I need to make a decision. Let's take a quick look at the comments. Applications operating within a limited framework. Interesting. All right, somebody's making. Yeah. So these comments aren't really moderated, which isn't great. Yeah, these aren't great. They should be moderating these comments a little bit. Social proof, not on point. I would highly, highly suggest that you moderate your comments when it comes to these sort of ads. They can be a little bit of a pain, but it can help you quite a lot. So let's go to the landing page now. We got the download CTA. Your thoughts and words. Say exactly what you mean through clear, compelling, and authentic writing. All right, it's actually showing it in action, which is great. I love the GIF. The parrot, that's a good, attractive scroll, right? We've got 2 call to action buttons. This is great. I have some exciting news to share with you. You can rewrite it. Interesting, make it casual. I like this. This is showing me exactly how it works, right? I have some very exciting and important news to share with you all today. Wow, interesting. Okay, cool. I like that. This is a well done landing page. It's showing me everywhere I could go. It's got a funny, it's got a really funny, little example there, right? We've got some social proof. It's got the story. It's got that call to action, follows it all the way down, right? I actually really like this. I think the only miss is not moderating the ads. I think they did a great job, especially for a piece of software. This is exactly the sort of thing that you want to see, right? They keep hammering home that it's free. They keep talking about benefits. When you get into the features, it shows rather than explains, right? Which is always huge. Honestly, I give this one like a 9 out of 10. They did a really great job with this. If you're working on like a SaaS company or, a consumer software product, I would look to this ad and this landing page as inspiration. So let me know what your thoughts are. If you loved it, hated it, totally disagree with me, think that my analysis is spot on, let me know in the comments. Thanks, everybody. Happy marketing.